Let's talk about HTML heading tags. Heading tags are HTML tags that let you add titles or subtitles to your web page and help readers skim to specific sections to find the information they're after. Let's type some out. Note that each heading tag is made with an open and close tag. Oops. Let's save this and see how they look. As you can see, there are 6 different sizes of heading tags. The first being the biggest and ranked the most important, and the 6th being the smallest and ranked least in importance. Note that you should only have one heading tag per web page. Search engines use headings to index the structure and content of your web pages. And that about does it for heading tags.